Oh hey guys, another episode of Peterama here for you. Just thought I'd whip something up really quickly, show you what I got in the mail. Gonna do a little unboxing today, show you guys what's inside. Sound good? Alright, enjoy. Alright guys, check it out. Guess what came in the mail today? Yes, you guessed it, wheels. How'd you guess? Rims that I wanted for so long. Today we're gonna be unboxing this stuff and I just wanted to share the experience with you because I'm excited as hell. Love that word. Anyway, let's get to it. Okay, ready? I don't even know if this is the last layer or whatever, but looks so good under there. It's exciting. Ready? Here it is. Oh yeah. Alright guys, let's check out the center cap. Way down here. Center cap reveal. Oh yeah. Okay. Here they are. It's got a blue tint on it because there's a blue peel here. So you can peel that off, but I'm just going to leave it for now until I actually get this installed. It'll be silver in there. Beautiful. Enkei Vortex 5, ladies and gentlemen. Oh yeah. There it is, folks. Enkei Vortex 5 rim. Okay guys, I removed that blue tinted piece of plastic on top of this center cap just to show you guys. That is the actual color of the center cap. Sexy. Yeah, I need to shave. Haven't done that in a while. Don't mind this redneck beard going on. Okay, thanks for watching today's episode. I hope you enjoyed. Hope you enjoyed the wheels. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for clicking the like button. Thanks for clicking the bell. And we'll see you in the next one. Peterama. Peterama. Peterama.